All right, hey guys. So it does that every week. Every time I go live, it doesn't let me the first time, and then the second time it does. I don't know why it does that. But Carson, thank you for checking in. Jesselyn, thank you. Be afraid to ask. If you've checked in and you don't have any questions, you can head out. So, Gabri, Jillian, thank you for checking in. Lesson number at the top of the page, because some of you are turning it in, and I'm not correcting until the following week, and it's getting jumbled in with what lesson it is. So you have to put the lesson number at the top of your sheet, please. Luke, thank you for checking in. Dominic, Kiera, it was really slow, so I'm guessing it's on my end, so I'm sorry about that. Again, some week. That's good to hear. So Gabri, what the plan is right now, and I'm 99% sure we'll do this. The last week of school, that will be for late work. So that I think it's May 18th through the 22nd. Will be just, I won't give you assignments. It'll be just late work. So if you have all of your assignments done, that last full week, that's if you have all your work turned in already, then you'll be done for the year. And then we'll have 3 days. I think we're just planning on dropping off computers and technology and dropping in. Thank you for checking in. Riley, thank you for checking in. Yeah, sorry, Greta, my fault. Kellen, thank you for checking in. Aaron, Dory Morgan, thank you for checking in. And Carson, yes, we only have 4 weeks left. It's getting pretty, getting to the nitty-gritty stuff. Remember, if you guys have questions on your assignments, don't be afraid to ask. I can answer. Kendra, thank you for checking in. Bye, Gabri. Thanks for checking in. Bye, Cami. Caden, thank you for checking in. Kira and Dominic, thank you for checking in. Bye, Winter. Bye, Cal, for checking in. Bye, Aaron. Thank you for checking in. The line or the side of it that's going up and down, that's your height, and then you just multiply everything. Caitlin, Jeremy, thank you for checking in. Carson, talk to you later. Thanks for checking in. Again, if you guys have questions, let me know. Announcements, the only thing I have will be put your lesson number at the top of your sheet. If it's late work, for sure do that, please. And then we will go live on Friday as well. 1/2 base times height, and then the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 height. Oh, so 1/2 times the height times, again, I don't know why I'm laggy. I'm sorry about that. If this, yeah, it keeps bugging out. Ugh. I can go through an example with you, Greta and Kendra. Charlie, you may go if you don't have any questions. Okay, so in your textbook, so it has a triangle here and 3 yards. Okay, times the height. Now the height is always going vertical. This time it has a solid line. Sometimes it'll give you a dotted line if there's no solid height or if it's not a 90-degree triangle. Okay, so 2 yards would be the height. So now you multiply these together. What I always do, I always go the base times the height first. So then 3 times 2 is 6, and then times 1/2. Well, you just divide it by 2. So what's 6 divided by 2? It'd be 3 yards squared, because you're doing with area again. Okay. Maddox, thank you for checking in. Which IXL, Kendra? Bye, Chloe. Thanks for checking in. Is it FF3 and FF4? Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing that, Maddox. It must be the internet here at the school, because when we did our Zoom meeting earlier, it was bad too. Bye, Zoe. You're welcome, Raleigh. Bye, Jillian. Thank you for checking in. I don't think that restarting the stream would help. So I don't know what to do. I just type in chat. So I'm going to draw out the shape because it'll be a little easier to talk about here. So you have a trapezoid. It has a base of 4 feet, a height of 4 feet, and a base of 9 feet. Okay, well, remember the area of a trapezoid, the formula is, okay. Sorry, Raleigh. 8.3. Okay. Number 5. You just multiply. Bye, Maddox. You just multiply y. It's just for rectangle, it's area equals. So I'm in it right now. So it's 1/2. So it's 90. So it'd be 45. Sorry, I'm talking out loud. Yeah, it works, Kendra. Natalie, thank you for checking in. Bye, Raleigh. Bristol, bye. Try it out and see if it works. This is triangle. And then trapezoid is 1/2 the height times the base 1 plus base 2. And make sure you're multiplying together. So, see, IXL is tough because I can't see it. So try it again, Kendra, and let me know what you get for what your base and height is, and then I'll help walk you through it. It's tough with IXL. Base times height, and then you got to divide it by 2. So say we have, I went through that example, started with, that's for trapezoid, Kendra. So that would be FF4. You would have to do that formula on. So it'd be 4 feet, and then the height was 4 vertical number, which is 4. So times 4. And then times the bases, or the base 1, which could be, and then everything else you bring down. So then I would do, you can do it any, after this, you can do it any order. I'll do 4 divided, 1/2 times 4, which is 4 divided by 2. You should get 2 times 13, which is 26 feet squared. Okay, now it's going to be different for you, of course, because you're doing a different problem, but that's how you would do it. But this is the formula for trapezoid. and this is for a triangle. Again, it's tough on IXL because it doesn't go in the same order. So like if I did the first problem with you, it doesn't. Hopefully I didn't lose you guys. Nobody has said anything for a little bit. I thought everyone left or my computer or the internet was just that slow. Yeah, it's frustrating. I understand, Greta, but it's good practice. On number 2, I don't know who Lori Hoppy is, but what I don't. It depends on 67. That would be 5th grade. So let me get my textbook. Number 2, a loop of string 20 inches long is made into the shape of a square. How long is each side of the square? So if you have a square and so all 4 sides together total are 20 inches. Okay, so this whole thing here is 20 inches. How much would this side be? So to figure that out, you have to find out. So that's a totally different problem. Oh yeah, I should have known that last week. That was 5th grade. Sorry. Number 2. Units here and 3 units here. So perimeter first, you add up all the sides. Okay, so you add, so this would be 8, 3. Right here would be 8, and this would be 3. So the perimeter, move this down a little bit. There we go. Perimeter is, you have to add up all those, and then area, draw another rectangle, 8 and 3. The area, you just multiply the 2 numbers together. Okay, so you would just multiply 8 times 3. And then don't forget, area is always squared. So it'd be blank inches or units squared. Or blank square units. 6, 5, 4, 3. Which one does not go into 12? That's what's asking. So does that make sense, Lily? On both questions? Okay, perfect. Yeah. I'll go. Well, you guys are really quiet today. Usually I'm answering questions or talking about something. Guys are quiet. Nine plus 10 is 19, Greta. I'll probably stay on for another 5 minutes. If no one else shows up and has questions, I'll probably be peacing out pretty early today, it looks like. I did answer quite a bit of questions again, which is good. Usually that's how it goes. Just later on, it just wears out. So, but Sorry. Mr. Burke said asked some staff, or he sent out an email to the staff to sing the graduation song with the senior or the choir, just to have more people involved in it this year. And I listened to it before the YouTube video and it stuck in my head. Peace. Who's there? I wonder who the other person is that's tuning in. I know it's me, Greta. Who's the other person? It's a total of 3. Didn't say bye to me, so I'm guessing she's Supu. Saw that. I'll stay on for another minute, and then if there's no other questions, I'll be logging out, saying peace out. Emma! Nope, you're fine. If you have questions, let me know. I can stay on and help you if you need it. We've already been emailing back and forth a little bit this morning, but you had reading questions, you didn't have any math questions. Okay, perfect. That's perfectly fine. I'm just asking. So directly, otherwise I'll be going live on Friday. Remember to put your lesson numbers at the top of your homework, please. All right. I get it.